Hi, my name is Ángela Patricia Castellanos. I live in Soacha. I am studying public accountant at UNAT. Group 562. Presented to Laura Salamanca. According to the Guide by Activities, I present my missing feature. In my free time, I leave it to rhythm, a bike, play with my dog. He laughs too fast. Also, I like to dance, listen to music. My favorite genre is salsa. I currently work in a company as in assisting the management and accounting. I currently study public accountant at UNAT. My career is very important. I like it. It generates two sparks: inclusion, innovation, commitment, and responsibility. In 5 years' time, I will have finished university. I will work as an accountant, and I will do my best to achieve success. After the university, I will study a master's in tax and tax advice. In the future, I'm going to go very hard to create my own company of accounting and taxing advisor, creating hubs, just helping those anywhere. The data my graduate a will get completed 5 of study. By June 2024, I 1 year completed my university studies as an accountant. But by 2028, I will have completed Mentius degree in tax and fiscal consultancy. I will have fulfilled all my dreams by 2030, becoming a transformative person who contributes into each of my clients, generating in positive impact on society. Thank you for the time.